In this particular video today, I want to show you the secret way that me and my students are be able to make tons of money as a freelancer, both on and outside freelance websites. And I'm going to show you some proofs of what I've got. Actually, this chart is on my other phone, so I have to send it down to this system. As you can see right here, this is my message to myself, so I send it down here so I can show you into this video. So let's get down to it. If I come over right here and I start from the end, you can see this guy is making money already. This is 5-star review, and another person 5-star, another person right here. So this is my payment, this is my accounts, other accounts, and this is one of my accounts as well, and this is one of my other students. This is another payment I snapped, this is another order, this is another payment, this is another student, and this is another payment from a student. This is another student, this is another student, another student, another student right here, another student, another student, another student. And this money I made last 3 months outside freelancing website, 6,200 USD. We have been able to make all this kind of money by just leveraging and leveling up our skills by rendering it to other people that need it most, and we get paid for our service. As you can see, this is a lot of proofs that you can make this money. So without wasting time, let's get down to today's video and let me show you how you can copy this exact method and you make this kind of money for yourself. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Black Ozula, and on this channel I make video around making money online. Anything that's deal with making money online, that's what you will find on my channel. So in today's video I want to walk through a process and how to make money with freelancing. Of course, I've been able to put out some videos right here around freelancing that you can go back to watch later on. As you can see right here, Fiverr. So but in today's video I want to share the secret where you can make up to 6,200 USD like me outside freelancer website, or 8,000, something like that, 800, 500, 200 USD on the freelance website in a space of 2-3 months, depend on your devotion. So let me walk you through this process. The very first thing you need to know before you can make money as a freelancer, you need to have an high income skill. You need to have a skill that you can render to people that's going to pay you money. I mean, the skill that people find it difficult to do, or they don't know how to, they are going to give you their money in exchange of you rendering the service. But without wasting time in this video, I've prepared a training course that's going to guide you through everything you need to know and how you are going to make this money as a freelancer. And this is the secret of me and my students. Right here, you come over to this place, you click on, you see this is where you meet your tutor exploring the course content, and this is the introduction part where you will be introduced to what is freelancing and the likes. And here I'm preparing you to be a freelancer, as you can see right here. Then the skill shop, which is where the main work starts, is here you learn 10 profitable skills to render and explained step by step. So you are going to take your time, your pen, and everything you need. You are going to put it down beside you while you are watching these videos right here. And the next one is high income skill acquisition section. Here you learn full stack digital marketing. I mean full stack, everything about this digital marketing, and is all these things that we practice on a daily basis that's making us this kind of money, and you can leverage on that by just picking up this course. I will explain how you are going to get this course at the end of this video. Just stick around and make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get notified anytime I drop an awesome video like this. You will learn this social media marketing school. This is where you learn everything about social media marketing, and the best part of it, the UI UX design course for beginner. So all these 3 high income skill is going to pay you nothing less than $100 per order, I mean per service. So you do well, you learn one of these 3 first, and you make sure you go through the skill training shop as well. Then after you learn all these skills, what is the next step? You build your portfolio. You build your freelance portfolio. After that, once you build your portfolio, you find and acquire tons of clients. How to get tons of clients in details. I'm teaching outside freelancing right here, and you can see getting clients on Facebook, something like that, and then on a freelance website. Introduction to Fiverr marketplace, setting up an account activation, account profiling. As you can see, module 6.1, which is setting up and ranking your gig on Fiverr, how to design catchy gig image. Now module 7, 12 low competition gig that you can add to your high income skill that's going to pay you tons of money online. And module 8, which is freelancing inside knowledge and how to bid for job on Upwork. So freelancing inside knowledge. This is what are the secrets about freelancing that you need to know when you work as a freelancer. And here I explain how to set up an account and how to bid for job on Upwork. And lastly, but I have it right here, my 6 secrets website that pays me thousands of dollars monthly when I work outside, and I shared all of that in this training course. And how much does this training cost for you to pick up? Actually, this training course cost 45,000 naira, but because I'm sharing this with my best friend and I want you to make money, I have a discount link in the description below. That is the first link in the description below. Once you click on it, it will take you over right here to where you can get this particular course and everything around it for just 25,000 naira. So here is my contact information. If you need anything, or you want to know, or you want to talk to me about something, you can contact me right here, and you can easily pay right here. Once you click on pay, then you fill out your details, then you check out. Immediately you check out, you'll be redirected to this classroom where you are going to enroll for the course, and everything will be done for you. Then you start learning, and you are going to text me on WhatsApp. I'm going to add you to my group, and I follow you up from there, and all I want for you is your success. So what are you still waiting for? Click the first link in the description below. Get this course at a discount price. It's going to go back to 45,000 naira by the 31st of December. So I don't know when you are watching this video, you can still try your luck. Maybe it's after that, maybe it's the discount will still be on, but click on the first link in the description below now. Get this course for 25,000 naira, and I will see you inside where we teach ourselves how to make money with freelancing.